It's a great day to go out and to do some shopping, and me and Andrew are both going because shopping was a thing today and it was just not fun, and the weather says exactly
it's Oregon, so. Yeah,
but the weather shows exactly how I feel about shopping today. I didn't want to go shopping. I didn't want to go get stuff and then take it all in and then unpack it because it's a whole big thing, and I know I have to do it, but it's one of the most annoying chores. But it's nice when we have food. And we went this morning and we got all the stuff that we needed, and we got our big bag and 2 grocery bags. We had a 3rd grocery bag, but I don't know where it went.
It's in the truck somewhere.
Because we had like another hour to this one. So I was short because some of the cold food is actually like just in the bag. So yeah, it was a thing today, and Andrew didn't have a fun time.
No, because
he had a little panic attack there.
I work for a grocery store, so like I understand people are trying to get the groceries and get out, but like working in a grocery store, I have to be polite and everything when I'm on the clock. But like at Winco, I don't work for Winco, so I can just be like, get the out my way.
People are so rude. One lady literally stood in front of the yogurt section, blocking the whole, what is it, Yoplait or something?
Yeah.
I get like this Yoplait yogurt stuff, and it's really, really good, and it's like my favorite kind. Not that that's important, but she blocked
Not
the
a sponsor.
whole section of it, and she wasn't even looking at it, she was looking at the butter. So I tried to go and just like grab some and just like reach over her cart to get my stuff, and then the second I went to go get that, she comes back, stands in front of it, looks at it, picks it up like she doesn't know what yogurt is, puts it down, and then goes forward slightly, gets a different one, and gets a completely different brand, but is still blocking the yogurt that I want. It took me 10 minutes to get yogurt, and that's just a little ridiculous. So, like, people at the store are ridiculous. Last time we went with Andrew's mom to get food, all 3 of us went, and this lady stood in front of the meat counter and literally was discussing meat with the meat guy, telling people around her when the fresh meat was gonna come out, explaining cuts of meat, and blocking the whole meat section with her. She had her daughter, and she had like, what was it? Some kind of like cart thing to hold. Like she had a regular cart, and then she had her own personal cart that her daughter was holding, and they were blocking the whole meat section that we needed, and it was so annoying. People are so rude. I don't understand how people can think that that's okay. People are crazy. But we got a lot of good food, so we're happy. Well, it's a good thing we got food. You can eat something because you're probably hungry. I'm unloading the groceries. Tommy is like, okay, brother is sitting on the couch, he's eating, he's not paying attention to me. I'm gonna put my ball in this Winco bag so that Simi will notice me and play with me. If I put it right in the Winco bag that she was cleaning out, she'll definitely notice. You are such a goofball, Tom.